Unlike example 4 that pretty much had our equation set up for us. Example 5, we have to make our own equation. So it says a professor wants to create a test that has 15 true or false questions, 10 multiple choice, and 5 essays. She wants the test to be worth 100 points, with each multiple choice question worth twice as many points as the true or false, and with each essay question equal to 3 times the number of points as true false. So part A, we need to write a system of equations to represent the problem with x, y, and z equal to the number of points for true, false, multiple choice, and essay, respectively. And then part B, let's know how many points should be assigned to each type of problem. Note that only positive integer answers are useful. Okay. So they're telling me what my variables are. We have x, y, and z. And so let's make our equations. Because I have 3 variables, I do know I should have 3 equations somewhere in here. Okay. So it starts off by saying that we want a test with 15 true or false, 10 multiple choice, and 5 essays, and that she wants this to be worth 100 points total. I'm going to use a highlighter here. Let me use something other than yellow, though. Okay, this is what I am using to make my first equation. So we have 15 true or false, which is x. Excuse me. We have 10 multiple choice, which is y, plus 5 essay questions, which is z. And this needs to equal 100. Okay. Now it goes on to say, with each multiple choice question worth twice as many points as the true false. That's my second equation. Let me kind of put this right there. That's how we got that one. Okay. So each multiple choice question is worth, there's my equal sign, twice as many points as the true false. So multiple choice is y. Worth is my equal sign. Twice as many points as true false, so 2x. Okay, there's my second equation. And then my third equation says, and with each essay question equal to 3 times the amount of points as true false. Okay, this one just straight up tells me equals. Each essay question, essay is z, equals 3 times the number of points as true false. So 3x. Okay, that's very colorful. But we now need to put this into the right form. For this to be in the right form, you need all of your variables to one side and your constants to the other. And on these second 2 equations, I have variables on both sides. So what I need to do is move over my 2x and move over my 3x. So my first one is fine. So this one will be negative 2x plus y equals now nothing, 0. And negative 3x plus z equals nothing. Now, I do think this is what you're typing into MyMathLab, but for me to be able to solve, I need to put this in the right form. So now that I have this in the right form, now I can put this into my augmented matrix. So we get 15, negative 2, negative 3, 10, 1, no y here, so 0, 5, 0, that's a 1z. That will be 100, 0, and 0. That's where that came from. I'm going to go ahead and box this. I do think this is my answer in MyMathLab for this problem. but then put it into the right form so we can put it into the augmented matrix. So now we will EF that. And we should get our diagonal of ones, 0 everywhere else. I need these three numbers right here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and clear again. My new matrix is 3 by 4. I'm going to type that in. And then we will check. Okay, I like mine, so I'm going to hit enter. And we'll do RREF matrix A again. This is 2, 4. Now where problems need word answers. This isn't an ordered pair of 2, 4, 6. What do all of those things mean? Here we get that x equals 2. Here we get y equals 4. And here we get z equals 6. What does x represent? X was my number of true, false questions. So true, false should be worth 2 points each. What did y represent? Y was my multiple choice. So multiple choice should equal 4 points each. And then what did z equal? Z was my essay. So essay should equal 6 points each.